Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving from Barbican to Liquanea, and this is in the city of Kingston. So Barbican is a very busy area, has a lot of large residential communities around it. But like Barbican Square has supermarkets, bars, restaurants, everything you would find to support a residential community. And then Liquanea now is a much larger area. It has more restaurants are in Liquanea than in any other place in Jamaica. Every kind of food, every fast food restaurant you're going to find in Liquanea. And that's because Liquanea has a lot of residential areas around it. Mona, Hope Pastures, Beverly Hills, the Liquanea area, the Golden Triangle area, Millsboro, Jacksonville, a lot more. That's just a few of the areas. So we're on Barbican Road now, driving from Barbican to Liquanea. And also Liquanea has a lot of plazas because naturally with such a large residential area or large residential communities, you're going to have a lot of places where people need to go and shop. So you have a lot of supermarkets, etc. So this is Barbican Road. We just passed Dewsbury on the right. And then this is the famous Paddington Terrace. This road, Paddington, takes you all the way back to East King's House Road. The former Prime Minister Edward Seaga lived on Paddington Terrace. Or he had a home on Paddington Terrace. Okay, at this intersection we're coming up to now, if we turn left, we go into the Whitcomb area, and Whitcomb will eventually take us back to Millsboro, or you can go up to Mountain Spring. But we're going to go right and go into the Liquanea area. So Barbican Road takes you all the way to Old Hope Road, the intersection with Old Hope Road and Hope Road. And Barbican Road runs from the Arcadia area or the Grand Spend area all the way to the Liquanea area. On the left is Charlemont Avenue, and that will take, if you turn left there, that will take you up into the Hope Pastures area. Now as we enter the Liquanea area, you're going to see a lot of plazas. Outside Constant Spring Road, Liquanea has the most plazas in Jamaica, in Kingston. So on the right is Sovereign North. Coming up on the left is Progressive Shopping Center. Coming up on the left is Orchard Village. On the right is Burger King. On the left is Lane Plaza, and if we continue straight down, we'll go to Sovereign Plaza, Sovereign Center. Sovereign is one of the top plazas in Jamaica. Very popular. It follows the formula to a T. It's built in a populated area. It has a large supermarket and it has a lot of food stores. When I mean a lot, I mean they have a food court. Everything you can think of. KFC, every island grill, every fast food chain is probably in there. Now on the right is Liquanea Plaza, also a very popular plaza, follows the formula, built in a populated area, has a big supermarket, and has a lot of food stores. The plaza we just drove through is Lane Plaza, and it also is very popular, follows the formula, has a high-low as a supermarket, has food stores such as Juicy Beef, and it's built in a populated area. On the left now is Northside Plaza, average plaza, doesn't follow the formula. On the right is the US Embassy, which is the largest embassy the US has in the Caribbean. On the left is Super Valley Home Center. Now on the left is a standpipe area. And we're now on Old Hope Road. Old Hope Road will take us all the way to Papi. Old Hope Road runs from Crossroads all the way up to the Papine area. Okay, this is another small plaza. It has a Shoppers Fair supermarket and a Domino's and a Winking. But it's a very small plaza, not as popular as the other plazas. A lot of potential though. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good